Hey, I'm Fish. I'm in a house that's 1940, and I think my grandmother, she knew the original owner, and I knew the second owner that came in, has been here, that moved out, and then the final owner. And now the new owners are coming in. The house is vacant, it's sold, and here we are. You can see it's paneled. There's no light in these two rooms, except for me having a light and a light on the floor by outlets. And in the basement, it's an oil burner directly below the camera. You have in the next room, not a railroad, but it's considered like a railroad. You're opening to your living room. Come on in and we'll show you. This is the living room. I'd say it's about 10 feet, 12 feet by 10 feet, 15 by 10, something like that. And the area that I was at is basically your front room over here. You got two windows, your main window looking out to the front, to the side. Years ago, there weren't any houses, so this was a separate house, having a side looking at your neighbor's house, like the honeymooners. You see all the lines and all. Over there is not a walk-in closet, but a closet you hang your clothes. And this is the door here that goes into your front. As you can see, you walk in, you stay nice and dry to open up your door. Above us would be the old-fashioned jealousy windows and an upstairs porch that you could sit out in the nursery or day room. And we'll show you that later. Come on, we'll show you the dining area. This is the dining area. You have a ceiling fan in here that we could run into the living room and the front day room. It's nice and big. It's the same size, 10 by 10, like the living room. Come on in and let's show you what it looks like. This goes down to your basement, the cellar. And behind me would be your kitchen, a separate room. And again, you have another window. So you got 3, 4, 5 windows on the bottom. You don't have any windows on that particular side. I'm not sure why they didn't put a window over there. Because the sun mostly comes from the front to the back this way in the winter, the summer. No sun that side. So it makes common sense not to have a window on that side. So let's show you the kitchen. The kitchen's small and cozy. You could put a small table here. You got steam heat, radiator, oil. You have a window looking out back and a door that's right by the camera that you could go down and out to your nice large backyard. It's an L-shaped kitchen with lighting as well as modern recessed lights and the cabinets and a small cubby bathroom, a sink, a toilet, a commode. Yeah, I haven't used that word in a long time. And your refrigerator on this side of the wall. It has a dishwasher, a range, and a microwave. I'll give you an idea what the back looks like through the window. As you can see, you step down and there's a nice large backyard. And through the window, the nice elongated backyard. We used to hang out in the back, go in the swimming pool, above ground swimming pool, taking the swimming pool down, fix the fence, did a lot of work. Let me show you what the bathroom looks like. You got a nice small bathroom that you could go in and take care of your business, an exhaust fan. And I did some work in this bathroom by changing the light bulb and the leaks from above. All right, that's the main floor. Let's head on up, go upstairs and show you what upstairs looks like. The stairs are over here. You got your thermostat, a handrail, and your steps going up. They're nice and, steep type of steps and go up and you can come down and you won't hit your head. You just got enough height, 6 foot I am. Let's go upstairs. Come on, I gotta get my stuff and bring it up. As I head upstairs, we'll go to the bathroom. That's the first thing. Man, I should have just grabbed my 360 camera and just set it up and walk around and take all these scene shots. So you got your door here, everything's paneling, and this is the bathroom. It's a small bathroom. Let me just show you what it looks like to me being in the shop. I'll pan around for you so you see the bathroom, sink, tub, and commode. All right, so as we walk away from the bathroom in the first side room, it's a small room. So you can fit one bed, bunk bed. Let me bring you in. And you got a window looking out back, and I'll give you an overhead shot. You got a nice small closet. You can put your stuff in, air conditioning, all modernized. Show you out the back window from above. You get a nice shot what it looks like. As we head out, the only next room you got is the master room with the day room that has been modernized. Come on. So here we are in the master room. You have a side window, radiator, air conditioner in the window, and you do what you want, set it up. And this is the day room out in the front that this wall may or may not come down because it's a structured wall, and you have here where you could put other things and set up a day room. Nice large bay window. From the outside, you can see it. In the 1940s, they didn't think about closets and put things in. Here's your closet, small that you can put stuff in. And you got two windows in the front, like the Amityville, and you're looking straight out to a nice bay and view. There's one more I need to show, and it's somewhere above here. I apologize, we did have a closet. They did think of one. A real small one, a cubby hole. The thing that we need to show you is above the attic. And then down below. So the attic's got a little pull string. You want to be careful when pulling down. Kind of scary, isn't it? You pull it down and you open up just like you open up anything else, and you want to watch your fingers. Very tight with the door here. Let's go on up and show you what the attic looks like. I'm just going to sneak my head in with the light, show you what it looks like in the front. You can see some of the patches and lights and how things are taken care of. And that is the attic. You come over here and you pull this out, and then you lift back up. So let's get the attic closed up. Go on down to the last place, the cellar. Told you gotta pull one side. I pulled the wrong. Come on down. Let's take a walk down to the basement. To show you what it looks like and meet you downstairs. As you open up the two side doors, you have a light switch, a corner cabinet, and we'll turn the light on and we'll head on down to the dungeon. In the front, we have the tank, oil tank. 200 plus oil tank, I believe it is, 225. And don't have a sender. And the heat's first coming on. This is the heating area. You got a drop ceiling. And over there you got a closet. And you got a nice small room. And I'll show you what it looks like. Put a little bit of shelving in. You got the oil tank. You got your fuse panel. And your drainage. That's what this room looks like. So come on this way and we'll show you what the closet and the back room's all about. Over here you got a room. It goes underneath the staircase. That's about it. Nothing special. But in the back, it's where you got your old oil burner, which I now go to take care. Oh yeah, get a tool. Try that again. Oh yeah, get a tool and get it done. Come on in. Well, let me show you. So here we are. Yes, indeed. The room, the boiler. Let's check it out. Got to do a little drainage. Oh yeah. And on the other side, you got your washer, dryer, you got your drain pipes, window on both sides. And then you got your back door. That's to sew it out. So we'll come up, show you the front, and finalize this review. So there you go. This is the house 1940s. Enjoy your house and many more years. Have a great day.